And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use audio ducking for voiceovers in Resolve. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use audio ducking for voiceovers in Resolve, all you gotta do is simply go to Resolve. Once you're in your DaVinci Resolve, all you gotta do is simply tap on it. Once you simply tap on it, you can simply place your voiceover on track 1, example audio 1, and music on another, example audio 2. Then go to the Fairlight page. Now select your music track and use the built-in ducker in the inspector or dynamic section to set the voiceover track as the source, automatically lowering music volume when you speak and rising it when you finish. Fine-tune the effect with settings like duck level, attack rise, hold, and recovery times for smooth transitions. So this way you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.